If your toilet is clogged or the water flush is unusual, you need a guide to make your toilet unclog. You need to set out a pipe with 20 inches long and diameter of 1 inch, which could help the cable to contact the obstruction. Prepare a pair of rubber gloves before your hand reaches into the toilet bowl. Insert the pipe into the drain as close as possible so that the cable could get into the drain with a right angle. Then the cable could go through the plumber of the toilet. That would cost 1 or 2 minutes. Finally, the cable would cross the plumbing of the toilet and reach the drain. Then you could pull back the cable and you clear the clog successfully. We would like to demonstrate the process of unclogging the drain. Place a clog into the pipe. Start with placing the pipes. Then hold the drain auger within 4 inches of the drain and manually feed the snake into the pipe. Switch to the position of F to advance the cable. If you feel the pressure, you could retract the cable, then go forward and repeat several times to either break up or pull out the clog. The spiral in the front of the snake could catch large obstructions, so that you need to set the front operation handle on the position of a R to take out the clog. You've successfully cleared the clog of the toilet easily, which has been bothering you for a long time. The next step is make sure you clean the cable after each use, and you could retract the cable. It is easy to learn how to use a drain auger to unclog the toilet.